Online students. Okay. Now we can come out. So what we said here, the next and the current. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this 5 sequence numbers generated, and what is current value is 5. The current value is nothing but the last and latest value. And the next value is what now? 6. Okay now? So these are the two pseudo columns. Okay. So now this is completely the information about your sequence object, but practically how to do. Okay. So those practical examples. Okay. Here one information I want to pass you guys here. So online students all also listen guys. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, there is no classes. Okay. So the date also I was clearly informed to you, and don't confuse. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday as usual holiday. So these 3 days are no classes. And your next class is Monday. But Monday to Friday, these 5 days, okay, Monday to Friday, these 5 days, I will take online classes for all people. Okay, now? So offline people also come these 5 days in online. Okay, now? So, and your offline classes again started at number 23. Again, you can come offline at what date? 23rd you can come, and 23rd onwards, again as usual, offline and online. Okay. So online students, they don't have a bother because already they are coming through online. Okay, now? So that means what I'm saying here, 12, 13, 14, these 3 days are holidays for you. And 15 Sunday, as usual, holiday. And the 16 to Friday, that means Monday to Friday, I will take these 5 sessions through online. These 5 sessions I will take through online to all of you. You people also come to online. And again, your offline started on 23rd. So again, Monday onwards, again, offline and online is there. Okay, now, online students, are you getting my point now? So now all of you take an ID now. Anybody missing ID? Missing ID, yeah? Tell me your ID. Tell me ID. Yesterday what I was given. Huh? 8690 6556 446. That's it. Password? Okay. So who are not taking, guys, please take it this. So your Zoom ID, and this is Zoom password. Okay, offline students, take this ID and password. So take this ID and password. Take it, take this ID and password, okay? And connect the 5 sessions through online from Monday to Friday. And the next week, again, you are offline, sir, as usual. Okay, na? Right, guys. Only my classes here. Okay? Other people permissions I can't take now. Clear now, all of you guys? Okay? Right. So I stop it here, and we will meet on 23. Okay? Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, politicians are